always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and do this live cop for the Supreme Dunks. This is like the first live cop I've done that I'm in the house in a minute. Low-key, I always have to work today, so I do like a reaction and shit, but it's literally perfect. I'm gonna sit down in a little bit and try to buy these Dunks. Let me know if you tried to go for them. What color did you try to go for today? If you did get them, go ahead and let me know in the comments as well. But if you do enjoy this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. What did you more of this type of content? Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and do not forget to click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you're trying to enter in a Supreme TNF shoulder bag giveaway. That's gonna end in like what, a week or maybe like 10 days or something like that. If you're trying to get the lime green Dunks, literally this bag matches perfectly. All you have to do is drop a like on the videos and subscribe to the channel down below, and that's pretty much it, bro. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Alright, so just like that, we back. I set up my whole setup and we about to get straight to it. I got my shoes tab open, I got my all tab open, I got everything set up. Hopefully this is as smooth as EU was. We got 15 seconds and we about to get straight to it. I wish you guys the best of luck. Wish me some luck. Just drop a like right now. We about to cook up. Let's see what's up with it. 5 seconds. Come on, come on. They're not there for me. Oh my god. Come on, bruh. Yo, these hoes is not even here. Oh nah. Oh, I'm going outside right now. Oh, they came up, come on. This shit is tragic. It's going hella slow, bro. Yo, mine isn't even coming out. I got a white screen. Like, y'all see what's going on right now. I got a big ass white screen on my shit. Bro, come on. I just got a big ass white screen. Yo, are you guys able to cook? Like, I don't even know what's going on right now. My shit ain't even loading, bro. I'm tight. This shit looking like a whole dub, bro. I ain't even got to add these shits to my cart. So I don't even know what I'm about to do, to be honest. Like, I'm over here waiting for the shoes to pop up and they're not even showing up. Like, low-key is on some wheels right now. Like, I don't even know how I ended up on this page, but like, I'm here right now. Yeah, these bitches is sold out. They literally loaded up for me once they were sold out. What type of shit was that, bro? That's that Supreme shit. Like, in EU, it was mad smooth. I'm over here excited. Like, yo, these bitches about to go through for me. Nope. Where? Fucking where? Now they're about to go through. Like, that's some bullshit. All right, I'm gonna go back to view all, I guess. I'm gonna just buy my little beanie, call it a day. I'm sick, dude. I do still love this loose gauge beanie though, so I'm gonna try to go ahead and get it anyways. Yo, there's literally loading different shit. Let me get the loose gauge beanie in the black color. That's all I need at this point. Oh, the loose gauge beanie sold out. Damn, son. Yo, even the loose gauge beanie sold out. I thought I had like a chance. Y'all saw what just happened. It was just tragic. Like, let me know how it was for you in the comments. Hopefully one of the homies did cook up for me. Oh, we got the light blue in the cart. We got the light blue in the cart. Hopefully I could get this real quick. So boom, I'm about to process the loose gauge beanie. I do have it in the cart in this light blue color. Honestly, I wasn't even gonna go for that colorway, but that's all that I got at this point. So that's what I'm about to go ahead and get. Hopefully I do succeed on this little pickup, and I got high traffic. Who would have known? Terrible, bro. This shit was a shit show. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but it is what it is. I am gonna keep trying for this loose gauge beanie. We do have it in black right here. So I'm gonna try to see if I could get this. Come on, let me at least get the beanie, bro. Just give me the beanie at least. Like, just let me get through on the beanie. That's all I need at this point. I'm not even trying to do the most. Like, let me just get the beanie and I'm out my way. Like, okay, I'm processing. I think I got it. All right, cool. I got the beanie. That's a plus. So let's start there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to get these sneakers again. I heard that in EU, people were still cooking up 23 minutes later, so I might still have a chance. Yeah, these shoes are not even loading up, bro. The shoes load up, but they're sold out. Like, I didn't even get to see the add to cart button on the sneakers, which is ridiculous in my opinion. I wonder who cooked up manually. Like, this shit just don't make no sense. I feel like for EU, they had the whole click to continue button. We ain't get none of that shit. Well, I ain't even get to see none of that shit. Hopefully I do have a chance to review these for y'all. That would be pretty lit to do. I guess that pretty much does it. I am gonna keep trying, honestly, because I just don't know what the fuck happened. Like, let me know if y'all had this same issue where the sneaker didn't even load until the shit was sold out. Like, I'm sick. It is what it is. is. Let me know in the comments how it went. Leave a like on this video if you did cook up, if you wish you would have cooked up. Comment if you were able to get any of these colorways, because honestly, I don't know what the fuck happened just now. Luckily, I did get my loose gauge beanie, which was an item that I initially wanted. I'm satisfied with it. It is what it is. If you did enjoy though, leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Click those post notification bells so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And low-key, we grinding, bro. We at 17,638. Let's see if we can get to 650, 660. Hey, who knows? Once we get to 20K, I'm gonna do a big ass giveaway for y'all. But there is a giveaway running right now, which you can go ahead and enter in. With all that being said though, man, I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.